From design to production, every electric quad bike is born here. We are committed to creating high-quality, reliable electric quad bikes that bring in an extraordinary experience on the road. We have a professional design and R&D team, relying on advanced technology to create exquisite design and excellent performance for each electric four-wheeler. During the production process, we use high-precision, robotic welding technology to ensure that the body structure is strong and safe. Every detail is strictly controlled to ensure that every car is impeccable. Each electric quad bike is rigorously assembled and thoroughly tested to ensure the perfect operation of core components such as the power system, battery, and brakes. We pay attention to every detail, and the car's comfortable seats, sophisticated dashboard, and user-friendly design provide you with a top-notch driving experience. Behind every electric four-wheeler is our strict requirement for quality and technology. Choose us. Choose safety, environmental protection, and excellent quality.